Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore how to create a 3D animation by introducing optical illusion and adding several attractive techniques. This tutorial is very suitable for projects where you prefer not to delve into the difficult and complex path of 3D modeling. To start working on this project, we need at least 3 designs. A product label, for example, we'll use a beer can here, the second is the can, and the third is a design that we want to use to create a mask on the can in After Effects. I preferred to prepare the mask layer in Adobe Illustrator because it's simpler for me. Remember to keep each design on a separate layer. In After Effects, we place the label layer between the mask and the can layers and create a mask for the label in the timeline. As you can see that by shaking the label, you almost feel like the label is spinning around the can. However, to create the feeling for the viewer that they can be rotating, we need to copy the label once or twice. If you want more rotations, you can copy more, put all the layers in one composition, and mask them together. Once you've adjusted the rotation speed by moving the label, it's time to move on to the interesting part. Search for CC Light Sweep in the Effects and Presets section and add it to the label layer. You can also add this effect to the can, but I didn't do that to keep this tutorial shorter. Set the direction to 0. And by activating the clock icon next to the center option, create the animation of the light movement on the label. Finally, it's time to bring our design to life by animating it. Go back to the main composition, select the anchor point, and place it where you want the animation to take place in the design. Then animate the design in any way you want. To complete the work, we need to add a reflection to the entire design. To do this, simply copy the main composition, rotate it, and give it a better look by deforming it, adjusting the transparency, and adding the blur effect. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and stay tuned for our next videos.